Aloha everyone, this is our unboxing and review of the Zealot Bluetooth speaker. Now in the box you'll find a few paperwork, a USB-C to USB cable, and of course the Zealot speaker itself. Setting it up is very easy and convenient. This is a very simple product that I feel like a lot of people will benefit from. This does charge via USB-C and has a micro SD card reader. The Monopod is very easy to use, it's very adjustable, you can move it up and down, left and right, it has a compact design, and works well with tablets.
There was an idea to bring together a group of remarkable people.
Your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
But like I said, this is a pretty cool, simple product. The Zealot Bluetooth speaker that also works as a tripod or monopod for your device. But you can hear back there, that's the Zealot Bluetooth speaker. Hopefully this video helps you in your decision making on whether or not to get yourself a Bluetooth Zealot speaker. Have a wonderful day today, folks. And as always, mahalo and aloha.